All right, guys, we're going to talk about the Meridian Transport Case. These have been out for a little while, but we actually haven't dove down into them and gone over the details. They come in two different sizes, the 40 liter and the 25 liter. They both are pretty much the same across the board other than the size. So first what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how you can carry these, and then we'll kind of go down into the individual cases themselves. So there's a couple ways you can carry these. There's the briefcase style, where you can actually remove the shoulder strap and then just run it briefcase style like you see here. Or you can attach the shoulder strap, as you see here on the 40. And there's multiple different ways you can attach the shoulder strap itself. The way that these are set up is you can do custom buckles. So for example, on these two, we have the Cobra buckles. When you receive it, it'll just be the standard plastic buckle, but you can untuck this here, like so, and then put in any type of buckle that you would like. Or if you want to run it completely in the briefcase mode, you can then tuck that strap back down in and run it very clean and slick. So those are the two options there. And then the final option is in the backpack mode. So what you would do is you would unzip this compartment here on both sides of the bag. Pull out the straps. And then attach the bottom to the straps, and you can now run your Meridian Transport Case in backpack mode. So they both do that, the 40 and the 25 liter. So you've got a lot of carry options. Everybody's mission is different, everybody's need is different, so we wanted to give you all the options that we could fit into the design of the transport case. So I'm going to switch on over to the 40 here to go over some of the main details. So starting on the outside of the bag, you have these two really large cavernous compartments. These just go right down in, and they're nice, wide, and open. So if you're traveling and you want to just drop in gear real quick, fit a laptop in there up to 15 inches, or just quickly if you're moving through security at the airport and you need to take your layers off, you can just cram them down in there. On one of the sides here, if you can see down in there, it does have a zippered compartment, so that's a great place for your wallet, keys, valuables, things like that you don't want to lose in this big open compartment, so you can throw them down in there. Conversely, you could take those briefcase sleeve or briefcase handles and just tuck them down in and run it slick that way if you wanted to run it that way. On the 40 here, where the backpack sleeves come out of one side, on the other side you do have a full pass-through, as you see here. So if you wanted to slide that down over your luggage, you could do something like that. It's also separate from the rest of the bag, so if you want to put your dirty shoes or gym shoes or anything like that you want to keep separate from the other contents of the bag, that's a great place that you can slide those in there. Now, moving to the main compartments here, there are three main compartments. There are the two side compartments. I'll try to show you here. So you've got this narrower side compartment here, this one here, and then the main cavernous compartment. So I'll start, they're all basically the same. So full clamshell open, so you can lay the bag completely flat and pack as needed. You'll notice that there are helix attachment points around the bag, and then you'll also notice that there are these button snaps in the corners. This is so you can run other accessories. Almost everything that we make accessory-wise will fit in the Meridians. So for example, we have our transport cubes that you can use, the attachment clips here, so you can run them horizontal. You can run them horizontal or vertically, like so. You can just run them loose in the compartment. You can attach them. You can attach just one side of it so they fold out. It's really up to you. If you want to run one of the control panels, you can run the control panel where you have the zippered compartments facing out, or you could attach them where you have MOLLE facing out, and then you can then take any of our PALS webbing or MOLLE compatible accessories and attach them there. So really you can get pretty creative with how you want to mount all the various different accessories we offer. And then we also have our larger control panels and things of that nature that you can snap in and then run full Velcro. So if you have third-party accessories that have Velcro backing, like med kits and things like that, you simply just tuck those corners in like so. And now you have Velcro backing that you can attach different accessories to. Or again, you could run it as a full PALS webbing sheet here that you can attach all your MOLLE stuff to. So just a couple quick options there. I'm going to go ahead and jump onto the other side to show you another way that you could use it. Using our compression straps. So we have a compression strap kit. It's basically these two compression straps that you see here. Just to show the different attachment points, I've ran them in an X configuration. You can again run them in a horizontal or vertical configuration, however you see fit to cinch particular gear down. But they easily go in and out, and they go in every compartment in here. So if you want to run more compression or less compression, you can take them out or leave them in as necessary. So that was the other side of that bag. And then I'm going to open up the main compartment just to kind of show you how cavernous this is. So you can kind of get a feel for how deep this is. And again, you have attachment points on the top and on the bottom. So you could run a bulk of your luggage in here, run your accessories on either slim side compartment that you see fit. Really, the world is your oyster. There's so many different configurations you could do with this bag. It's virtually limitless. So that's the Meridian. This particular one is the 40, and then of course we have the 25. They do come with the shoulder strap. They both have the integrated backpack strap. Both are made of the same VX21 ripstop shell. So you have high abrasion, high water resistancy. You have YKK water resistant zippers. So this thing can take a beating whether you give it over to TSA at their mercy, or you strap it down to a roof rack if you're into overlanding or expedition type travel, things like that. They can really handle it all. So not just a luggage piece, but as the name states, it's a transport piece. So whether you're moving lens equipment through various different transport cubes, simply just using it as luggage on vacation, transporting really whatever you see fit. So that's just a quick down and dirty of our Meridian Transport Case.